are lanterns. Chantal was telling me when she first learned about it, she was really drunk. She got on Timmy's bike and tried to find out where the hell they were. And then they go, somehow they light a filament in it, and it goes for a while, and then it turns, I saw it turn black up and down. It'll go for a while, and then it just buzzes out. So they're like a lantern that's floating in the air. But when you're really drunk, people think they call in and think it's a UFO. So, like in 4th of July, a lot of people call in. Ooh, that's pretty.
Oh, that's cool.
Swirly.
There's a seat up there, Susie.
No, I'm good. Yeah.
He chuckled.
That's a carnation. That's a carnation.
Debbie was
There's
there,
a mum.
Hey baby, what?
Woo! Look at our. That's our next ring.
Let me have a hit of your cigarette.
That's pretty. I like this breakfast.
Chuck,
Yeah.
a hit of your cigarette.
I haven't got any cigarettes.
Oh. I don't hear my ooh and an ah going on over here.
Well, I only do a couple of hits.
I already
here
came. Not a machine.
Oh, yeah. That's why I'm only taking a couple of hits. Yeah.
Ooh, Landon.
Don't say boom.
He's asleep.
And it says boom. Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah.
That's like a palm tree. Now, if they really want to be good, they'd have one that says Happy 4th of July. Well, those look like dandelions, you know, after the dandelions. Oh!
Ended quickly, yeah. Well, especially living in their house.
Danielle's catching these driving home.
Yeah, he's driving into them.
So,